This is a 2017 GMC Acadia with the SLT-2 package on it. Has the upgraded ebony twilight metallic paint. Black leather seats, power driver and passenger. Panoramic roof. You have your owner's manual, has locking wheel locks, and there's the key. And then here is the original window sticker, and I'm gonna have pictures of that in the photo section so you can see all the options. This has the second row captain chairs. And it is third row, so you get 2 more seats in the back. So 6 total seats. Your second row, you have your climate control back here as well as heated seats. 110 volt outlet. 2 USB ports. And then just a storage tray. And then you have your map lights up at top as well as some air conditioning vents. These are 20-inch rims with some Michelin tires on it. This has reverse parking sensors and a backup camera. It's got a power lift gate, just push the button. A little bit of storage here. And you have a 12 volt port back here. And those 2 seats fold down flat as well. This also has the front parking sensors. It is proximity entry on the front as well as the rear doors, so you can just push that button to unlock, push it again to lock it, keep the key in your pocket or purse or whatnot. And then you have the driver memory seating with the easy entry exit, power windows, locks, and side mirrors. This is your push button for your powered liftgate, and it is programmable height, so you can program it a few different heights. Also has the BOSE audio. Like I said, it had power driver seat. There's all your adjustments. You do have the aluminum GMC door sill plates here. This is a non-smoker, 49,292 miles. You have your cruise control and your forward collision alert, and that's your distance control there. Bluetooth. Parking sensors. And then up top, that is your forward collision alert light. So if you're about to get in a collision, that light will flash red on the screen there, or on the windshield. There's your backup camera. You do have Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, as well as built-in navigation. As far as safety features go, you do have the safety alert seat, forward collision with auto braking, rear cross traffic alert, and lane change alert. So on the side mirrors, there's that car with the little star. It won't focus, but anyways, when that illuminates, somebody's in your blind spot. You do have dual zone climate control up front, and then you can also adjust the rear. There's your heated seats. 12 volt, 2 USB, and auxiliary. And then on this, if you go to the next screen, here's your climate control for the rear. And you can lock them out or unlock it so they have access to change it. You can also view your backup camera and stuff like that. A few different apps you can download. There's your different driving modes. There's your lane change alert on or off. Just kind of a quick way of doing it, as well as your parking sensors. It does have a remote start, and there's your keyless entry. Up top you have your sunglass holder, garage door opener, and then your power sunroof. So the front is power and the rear is fixed. You can't really do anything to the rear except you can pull the shades. And that's about it there. This is an auto dimming rear view mirror. And like I said, I'll put the window sticker in the photo section. Just kind of scroll through that so you can see all the other options in case I missed a few. Other than that though, it's very nice.